Hey, what's up guys? This is Code Junkie and you're watching Web and Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can integrate Google Maps API into your website. So let's begin. I've got a beautiful website here and it has everything that I need, all the beautiful sections, and I just need a Google Map for my contact us section. So it's going to go here and let's see how we can do that. You just go and open a new tab and write Google Maps. It's gonna and then select the first link maps.google.com, and here you're gonna search for the thing that you want to give location of. So I'm gonna search for Emporium Mall Lahore, and it's gonna point to that. It's gonna show up in at that location. Now what you need to do is just click on share and click on embed a map. Here you can select the size of the map, small, medium, large, or you can select a custom size. So for this tutorial, let's go for medium. And I'm gonna hit copy HTML. It's copied, and now let's go to our code editor. So here I have the code of the website, and this is the place where I want to place that code. And I just hit Control V from the keyboard and save it, and it's that easy. It's going to take care of everything else. A couple of things that you might want to look at are the width and height. So for the medium size that we selected, we have this width and this height. Let's see how does it look. So this is how it looks, and you can zoom in, zoom out, or you can click on this view and you can switch back to that view, or you can click here view larger map and it will take you to the Google Maps website, and here you can see. But what if I want this to stretch out the width of the whole website? So if you want to do that, you can just select, okay, let's take it from here and place it below this section. Okay, let's make a section for this and place the Google Maps link here. So I'm just gonna hit save, and now we're gonna see how does it look. So you can see it looks like this. So if I want to stretch it to the full width, I'm just going to change the width and make it 100%. And as I save it, I can see that it is stretched to the full width of the browser. But for this website, I'll try to keep it that way. And yeah, I think it looks better. So that's it for this tutorial. If you like the tutorial, give it a thumbs up, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. Also press the notification bell icon so you can see the latest updates from my channel. Thank you.